Hi guys, it's currently 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m. specifically. Today we will be doing karaoke while doing I'll Be But You're a Bird. Let's get into it. This time I will not be doing any rants, okay? Just music. Except you won't be able to hear the beat, and I'll just be the one singing. I know, your situation's same. Don't worry about it, I'm getting used. Love me, 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 love me more. And you possibly can, it's not that complicated. No matter what they say, you'll never meet another me. It's not that difficult to get your head around. You'll never meet another me. You'll never, ever meet another me. I know. Yeah, don't you see, my dear? In a couple games, your face. So love me, 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 love me more. And you possibly can, it's not that complicated. No matter what they say, you'll never meet another me. To get your head around, you'll never meet another me. He's never meet another me. It's not that difficult, no matter what they say. You'll never meet another you. Not that difficult to get your head around. You'll never meet another you. I love you like an alcoholic. Oh my god, I love this song. Every human night, corner barking made. In the first nights of smile, the brain's at maximum capacity. Blood pumping so fast, no matter if looks gave heart attacks. Dangerous men in shadows like an audience, and then the meanest amount of them flash a little shine in their eyes. And so, let's walk by. Then about 20 blocks talking about God, bars, and better towns. And this one kissed that first time. And the rain opened up the sky again. One last kiss. I love you like an alcoholic. One last kiss. I love you like a statuette. One last kiss. I need you like I need a broken leg. In and off the late shift, attempting to recover. Opened up the first pass, tossed it into the gutter. A handsome dark stranger standing there in the corner. In my ties, eyes used to love someone better. 7 blocks in, your fingers brushed Joe, and we blushed. You laughed. You seemed a little sad. I wanted to jump a ship, but I absolutely really was 6 blocks in, and I fell into one last kiss. I love you like a man. One last kiss. I love you like a smack of dogs. One last kiss. I need you in the headroom. One last kiss. I love you like an alcoholic. One last kiss. I love you like a sandy lake. One last kiss. I need you like I need a broken leg. Hayloft 2 is the song that we're going to be listening to now. Or I'm going to be singing now. Oh my god. What happened to the young lovers? One got shot and the other got lost in drugs and punks and blood on the street, blood on Henny's, bloody history. What happened to the hay loft? Burnt to the ground. And what about Bob? He took his ass back to the crack shack with his Long John's on, singing that old song. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, I better run. My baby's got a gun, it goes boom, boom, crack, 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 boom, boom. And I figured out you leg for a leg, so in the height doesn't make it undead. This is you didn't want to make it messy, you really didn't put the girl concrete. He's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, I better run, my baby's got a gun, it goes boom, boom, crack, 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 boom, boom, and it's fine, she crucified, she crucified. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, boom, boom, crack, crack, boom, 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 crack, crack, boom, boom. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, I better run, my baby's got a gun, it goes boom, boom, crack, 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 boom, boom. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, I better run, my baby's got a gun, it goes boom, boom, crack, 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 boom, boom, boom. She's not a bad kid, she's not a bad kid, but she had to do it, she had to do it. Not a bad kid, but they had to do it. They had a knife, they had to face up. She's not a bad kid, but she had to do it. She had to cry. She's not a An Unhealthy Obsession is the song name. Oh, you creeping, I say loving, just the only way for me. And in the paper side and wafers, and I snake that side and sin. I name your mother and your father and the first pet that you keep. I know you're doing me twisted down at when your check comes in each week. I know you do your wash on Sundays and you decorate your whites and that you can't eat a new tire. Cause last week I laid those sparks. I got a million on the wrong place now and right. And then I hate a walkie-talkie in your room. You listen to yourself. I just don't know it yet, but you love me and I love you the same. We will have a pretty wedding and I'll be your everything. We'll be together, yes, forever. We won't ever part. No, you don't know it yet, but maybe I've already got your some call it stalking, I say walking just extremely close behind. If I sat down and asked you, well, you really wouldn't mind, and there was eyes that drive me crazy, and I've got eyes to watch you sleep, and then the pack of that's done, and when I'm checking company outside your shh, gotta be as quiet as, or else you'll call the police, and it found for something stupid like disturbance of the peace, and piece by piece I am collecting all the things you leave behind. When I don't, I rummage through your home, and what I can find, you just don't know it yet, but you love me and I love you the same. One day we'll have a pretty wedding, and I'll be your everything. We'll be together, yes, forever. Never ever part. Oh, you don't know it yet, but baby, I've already got your heart. Just don't know it yet, but you love me and I love you the same. One day we'll have a pretty wedding, and I'll be your everything. We'll be together as forever. We won't ever part. You don't know it yet, but baby, I've already got your heart. They say strange fascination and faxuation, a lunatic. I mean, what suits your taste? I just wanna taste, and I've always found it's what's inside that counts. Cause my insides are red and yours are too, and the red on my face is matching you. And goodness, you're bleeding, what a wonderful feeling. You're down and you're bleeding, my head is just reeling. The red means I love you. Tasting your blood means I love you. The red means I love you. The red means I love you. Unfortunate. This is a shame. I turned out this way, a maniac. Yeah, an addict when I cause a panic. Of course I'm excited when I see you around. Insides are red and yours are too, and the red on my face is matching you. And goodness, you're bleeding, what a wonderful feeling. You're down and you're bleeding, my head is just reeling. The red means I love you. Tasting your blood means I love you. The red means I love you. The red means I love you. You hear me all the time. The rest comes to my mind. It is wrong to inside. My insides are red and yours are too, and the red on my face is matching you. And goodness, you're bleeding, what a wonderful feeling. You're down and you're bleeding, my head is just reeling. The red means I love you. Tasting your blood means I love you. The red means I love you. The red means I love you. The red means I love you. Tasting your blood means I love you. The red means I love you. The red means I love you. Bloods and bones. I have a lot of friends till I drive them around the room, and they left me all alone. And they left me, and they didn't find anybody's to share them in the worries, joys, and my toys. And I searched up high, I searched up low. Put some feathers and letters. Don't ask a question, why. Don't let the secrets inside. If blood and bones are what you want, and then you can look behind you. I keep each letter in the box under my bed. The eyes and the hands, and then the domination. And then we gotta be our friends in this little till the end. We will be sorry when I think about it. What? Don't ask a question to the world. And to the secrets inside. Then the pastor says, I'm good. You is rice in the middle of my head to the wall. And it's in the middle, I'm good. And then to the wall. Yeah. Oh yeah, Alligator Skin Boots by McCraffy. Dr. Sinners and fucked. And mom is fucked. And dad's fucked up. And Twinkle twinkle little star, alcoholics don't get far. And then you can drive, let's go for a ride. Yeah, yes, I hope I crash and die tonight. And I do not like you, and I don't care much. You when just my friends, like that. I know that and away from my death. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the song here. So we're probably gonna get back to this like in a couple years, months, days. I don't really know. There is a cleaning video that will come out eventually. Eventually is keyword. I don't really know when. But this is gonna be the end of the video for today, since I don't really have any more motivation. Since in 7 hours I have a horse riding lesson, and I really need energy for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. Bye guys. And we're gonna end on a good note. Hold on, I gotta end it on a good note. Don't hurt yourself, don't kill yourself. Please stay safe and don't get in harm's way. Bye.